Hi guys, welcome to the show. My name is Ewase, and on today we're going to talk about the Baba Ijesha's case. And according to what the police is saying, his offense is bailable since there is no proof from 7 years ago that he raped the girl, and also no complaint was made. The police, okay, this is the funny part. The police defined sexual assault as when a man touches a woman in a place where he's not supposed to without her consent. That is the definition of sexual assault, and it's bailable. And it's bailable because it's not rape. Let's take a look at what the police have to say.
There are two cases. One, it was alleged 7 years ago to have defiled a girl when she was 7 years ago. The girl is now 14 years. As at that time, no complaint was made. Nothing was. But last week, a video went viral where he was arrested having sexual assault. Whatever indecent assault. When a man touches a woman where he's not supposed to without authority and consent, it now becomes a sexual assault. That's exactly what we are. Sexual assault. To which he admitted that he actually assaulted. So not that really assault in the assault of the criminal morals aspect, that when he slaps somebody, when he does somebody now, it's still assault. But this one now is a sexual one because so the girl was told where and without her consent. So the case of defilement being added to it, still under thorough investigation, and we need some scientific ones to be. Sexual assault is a bailable offense. For God's sake. It's a bailable offense. It's not like rape. No allegation of rape was made against him.
The fact that we live in Nigeria, we're here in Nigeria, we know this is where the case ends. That as soon as he leaves the station, it is where it ends. Trust me. If the court comes back to section, money has gotten to certain places that this case is going to end here. And you know how it is in Nigeria. Once a topic trends, once something trends, give it 3-4 days, a week, it dies down. Everybody moves on. Everybody moves past it until the next incident. Then they focus on that one, till the next one they focus on another. Let me tell you the kind of country we live in. Some days ago, someone posted that he was looking for his brother, and they traced him down to the police. He was behind bars. Why? Because the police searched him and found condom in his pocket, and they arrested him. And now they are defining sexual assault as touching a woman in a place where they're supposed to touch her without her consent. And that's bailable. You're free to go. Yeah, they're talking about the court is on strike. Probably when they resume, they'll bring up the case. Trust me. Once Baba Ijesha leaves that police station, that is the end of this case. This is the type of country we live in, where we juice up offense to suit whoever pays the most money. They twist the law in order to suit the rich. They begin to bring in some kind of words, definitions that are absurd just to spice it up to please them, to suit them. Now, I also saw a clip from Yomi in his interview. He mentioned something that got me quite confused. Aside the fact that he was calling a 14-year-old a lady, there's something else he said that got me like, okay, are they contradicting their statements? The police is saying something else, this other person is saying something else. Please take a look at this and see for yourself.
Police never said the CCTV was an evidence of rape. He was caught with the lady in question in the living room, and at the end of the day, when it was shown to him that what are you doing with the lady, you were holding the lady, you were doing this, and then he apologized. He said, yes, he confessed to that.
In the video where Obaidisha was begging, his zippers were down, his belts were open. Why? I'm not making this up. Look at this. I'm not making it up.
Where is he going? Masha, leave it. No, don't bother. Sit down back. No bother. I'm talking to you as a friend because I know that you are.
Telling me he was just touching the girl. He was just touching the girl. Yeah? Okay. In as much as the actual video from the CCTV might not be released to us, but I know it hasn't been released yet because a lot happened in that clip. There is more to it than meets the eyes. If not, if like they said, he was just touching her arm, there's nothing serious about it, okay, then we'd have seen the video of him just touching her arms. But the video hasn't been shown to us yet because first, the child's face is in it, and secondly, it's not something you're going to be proud of in the future to see yourself involved with. So while we wait for the court to decide if we ever get to that, let's just put everything in God's hand. At this point, there's nothing we can do about it. Then, while we're talking about the insecurity in Nigeria, the issue of rape and sexual assault, let's move a bit to our educational sector. I saw a video where during a JAMB registration they were asking students how much they paid for their JAMB form, and then they asked their teacher how much they charged for that JAMB form. Take a look at this.
Girls Academy.
Baptist Girls
Academy.
How much did you pay for JAMB in your school?
8,000.
8,000. You hear it? 8,000 for JAMB that we are collecting 3,500. You are the teacher. You brought your candidate. Listen. You brought your candidate. Yes, I'm the registrar of JAMB.
I know.
Yes. How much? Wait. How much did your school collect from this candidate for JAMB?
4,700.
Huh?
4,700. 4,700.
How much did you collect for them for JAMB?
4,700.
You collected 8,000.
Yes.
Wait, I have the facts. You say, okay, do you hear me? You
Actually,
collected 8,000.
Yes, sir. No.
So why?
No.
What do you?
We're not.
How much did you collect?
4,700.
I say you collect. I'm now telling you that I'm in position. Which school?
Baptist Girls
Okay,
Academy.
come. Just stay here. Who is from Baptist Girls Come. Wait. How much did your parents pay for JAMB?
8,000.
8,000. Oh yeah, Oga. Oh yeah, talk. Oh yeah, talk.
Let me talk.
He quietly telling. You see, he was telling her first.
Now this takes me back to when coronavirus was at its peak, and students were writing their WAEC and NECO, their exams, and they were charged coronavirus fees. Like, when we complain about the government, can we take a break and talk about other things? What is this? Now these kids, they're probably from poor homes, from homes that are not doing so well. Who knows how much the parents must have struggled to get up to that amount? And then your own school is extorting from you. Balance me real quick. Which way in Nigeria? In every single place, office you step your foot into, they want to make money out of you. Anywhere you step in, they want to charge you extra fee for whatever it is you're coming to get. Now the other time, someone said she went to take the vaccine, and when she goes to the hospital, someone told her that if she pays a certain amount of money, they will just give her those certificates without taking the vaccine. That she doesn't really need the vaccine. I'm not making this up. I'm not making this up. So sometimes let's take a break from the poor governance and look at ourselves. That change starts with you and I. Okay? So do yourself a favor and be a good person to other people.
Hello Nigerians, hello ladies.
Hello my fans and the good people out there. Keep watching.
Keep watching it. What's up?
NAIJA Watch.
NIGERIAN Watch.